guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jordan on my channel. It's just Jordan. So this video is today in collaboration with Causebox, hence why I have the box that says Causebox sitting right next to me. So what I'm going to be doing for you guys today is showing you all the things that you can get in your Causebox, all the things that it comes with. Causebox is a subscription box that is sent to you quarterly, so that means you get it about 4 times a year. In the box is $250 worth of products. You can get 6 to 8 full-size products, but for the price of only $50. So today I'm going to be showing you guys kind of the choices that you have. This is their fall box. They say that it's possibly the best one they have yet, and also the last ones that they had, I think the last 7 that they had have sold out. So if you are interested in this, then I suggest you do hop on it because people get to it. But before I even start, can we just admire like how pretty this box is? Like, you guys, first of all, so they do support women artists and always have women artists design their bags. I mean, not bags, boxes. Causebox, not Causebag. So I think that's really cool. But I just feel like it's so inclusive. You just see a mixture of all kinds of women, all different backgrounds, and it's so cute. It's so beautiful. Like, everybody should do more of that because obviously it's nice to look at. But before I get into that, I am going to show you guys the options that did not come inside of this box, but you will get it with your box. So give me 1 second. First, I'm going to show you guys the sets you can choose between. You have a choice between towels or bathrobes, and both of these are a value of $90 total. So first, let's start with my personal favorite, just because I am biased towards this color. They have kind of this little like minty green, and I've just been loving anything, just any shade of green. If you have like a all white bathroom or anything like that, or something like a pastel shade, these will be so cute for you. And then also they have the charcoal gray ones, so if you're kind of going for like the modern, like minimalistic look, that would be great for you. It has the smaller size towels. I feel like you could put these in your kitchen as well, to be honest, like kind of hang them over the stove. I don't know, am I the only one who does that? I don't know. And then there's also this larger one. So yeah, this is definitely like bath towel size. It's very pretty. It's nice and light. It's like a waffle texture, and both the towels and the robes are 100% cotton, and the dye that they use, they were hand dyed and toxic free, so we don't have to worry about any of those toxins with these products. They are by a brand called Bathen or Bathen. It's like B-A-T-H-E-N. I'm not really sure which way to say it, but it is a socially conscious brand, and we love that for us. Here's the robes. We have the gray one. Like I said, it's really good for if you're like more modern and minimalistic. So it's a gray waffle kind of feel, and really if I just show you these, it's the same as the towels, like literally the same texture. So you can choose this one, or you can go for the mint green one. Like I said, my favorite shade. Doesn't that look nice on me? So you do get the choices in between either the towels or the robes, and then you can choose the mint green color, or you can choose the charcoal color. Alright, so next, let's go ahead and crack open this box. It's pretty. I know y'all want to see what's in it. It's a little heavy. So yeah, we're going to have some good stuff in here. So that's what the inside looks like. Again, very, very pretty. Whoever the artist is, mwah, you did that, sis. They do add this little good news book. If you go through the book, it basically explains everything that you will find in your box, and I just think that's really good for somebody, especially like me, who just doesn't know much about all of the ethical and sustainable brands that there is to know about. So it's a really good way to like just have somebody else curate for you and kind of go ahead and literally put it in your hands so that you know where to find it and you know your options, and you get a chance to try out these things, so maybe you could, you know, put them into your everyday life if you do like them. Alright, so first we're going to start out with, we have the Green Co. Reusable cotton rounds, and we have the organic basil growth kit. I feel bad at how hard I just picked this up because I just heard like all of its contents just shatter. Not shatter, but like they were a little shook in there. Just, you know, when things have a sticker on it, you just don't want to break it. Ah! Please don't be opening this wrong, Jordan. Okay, I don't feel so bad now because this is a reusable bag. So there's 10 of the reusable facial pads. They're made by the Green Co. and are double-sided, and one side is soft velvet while the other is bamboo fiber. So they have two purposes. The bamboo fiber is great for exfoliating and scrubbing, and the velvet side is great for sensitive areas like around your eyes. I don't know about you guys, but like I'm really good for like scrubbing the mess out of my eyes when I am doing or taking my makeup off. So that's something really good for me, because at this rate I'm gonna have bags like I don't know what when I get older. What really gets me about these cotton pads is there's 10 of them and it can replace 12,000 regular cotton pads, and that's crazy. And second of all, not only that, but do they not look better than regular cotton pads? Like, these are cute. Like, this looks cute in your bathroom. It just does. You have the choice between these cotton rounds, or you can choose your organic basil chef garden growth kit. Oh, they got the little pictures on here with like the sauce. Y'all know when y'all go to Causebox and there's that little sauce? Yeah, you can make some of that with this basil. Okay. So these are made by Buzzy Seeds, and it's just a little kit for you to create or grow your own basil. There is a little package in here that keeps your little basil safe. It comes in this little canister, I'm assuming for you to grow it in, and the seeds are also non-GMO, so that's a good way for you to grow your own basil at home. You can make your own little Italian little sauce for your bread, so that would be cute. That, like, I feel like it'd be cute to like just grow this in your kitchen and just like sit it there and just watch your little babies grow. Next up, if we look inside of this box, we've got this little set right here. I don't want to open these things because they look so cute, but like what's, oh, can I get it open? You also in the box get this little bamboo little cookware set. It comes with the little chopping board. You also get, you know, some little tongs. Very good for your salads. Like, really good way to make your salad look a little extra bougie. And then you have your little spoon that comes with it. It says that bamboo is a highly renewable natural material. It's antibacterial, that's good, so we won't be eating off nasty stuff. And it is biodegradable as opposed to plastic. That's crazy because I have Tupperware. I did not know that about bamboo compared to Tupperware. So that's really interesting to know. So apparently I'm nasty for eating off of plastic. So the next thing they give you a choice between is this Milky Way Lantern, and then this, we've got a little tea tumbler. And so let's crack open this bad boy. It's by Artisan Direct. It's ethically made in India. It's a Milky Way lantern, so it's gold plated steel. Oh, that's just cute. Oh, that's just directions. Probably something I should read. Alright, so we have this little, oh, that's cute. This little gold lantern, and it has like these little laser cut out stars on the inside. So there is a little spot where you can put like your little tea candle at. And can you guys just imagine like maybe the lights dim inside your house or outside, like on a balcony, a porch, and just like the little lights coming out of the stars? You have the choice between that, or you can get this little glass tea tumbler. Let me open that up. It comes with a little cozy. So let's see. Taking it out the cozy. So yeah, that's the glass tea tumbler. That's a sexy tumbler. Can you drink regular stuff out of here? Because like, I drink sweet tea. I don't really drink regular tea. So can I put like sweet tea in here? It has a little area where you do put like your tea things for the extract. And so yeah, it's got like the little wooden top. Oh, you guys, so you can use it for, you know, when people were walking around with the water and they put the strawberries and the lemon and stuff in that. I can try that now because I never had one of those. This is so cute, and like you can actually see all your fruit through it. This is a sexy bottle. Okay, the next thing you get a choice between, I have this Volum. It's one of those, it's gotta be. It's a 3-in-1 hyaluronic acid. It has red tea and seaweed microderm exfoliator. And then you get the choice between that or this de-stressing muscle gel for focusing and soothing. I need that. Focusing is something I really need. It also says that you have a choice between these two or the rose gold crisscross cuff, but I'm pretty sure I don't have that in my box. But basically it is just like a jewelry thing. I saw it inside of the book. It's like a little jewelry bracelet and it like crosses right here, and I think it's just kind of like an everyday use type of thing. It says that the muscle gel is really good for soothing and cooling your muscles and just giving them a relaxing feeling. But what really caught my eye, not only can you use it at work, it was saying, you know, you can squirt a little bit, put it on the back of your neck for work to, like, you know, detensify yourself, because you know your 9 to 5 is making you tired, because I know mine does. So another thing it also said is this really, I thought I squirted that out. Another thing it also said is that it's really good for headaches, and that's something I really struggle with. Medication just doesn't help me very much. Yeah, this smells like some aromatherapy stuff. It smells strong. It smells like it can really like just woosah. And this one has a lot of long words. I'm not a skincare specialist, so I do need to read to explain this one to you guys, because I promise you I won't remember the words. So it uses spherical aluminum oxide crystals to buff away at your skin, while the red tea and seaweed extract and hyaluronic acid infuses the skin with hydration, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. So yeah, this is a really good, you know, you like having a little day to yourself, you're trying to put in some extra care, you've got this. Okay, so it's kind of like some little rocks. Not rocks, but you know, like, so it feels kind of, oh gosh, feels kind of like sand. Oh, it's soft. It's a lot softer than it looks. So yeah, kind of looks like that. Oh, it smells really good. And you can just put it on your face, wet your face up a little bit to exfoliate. I like that. I'm excited to try that one. Alright, and lastly in the box, we do have this serum, and it's like a little face brightening serum, and it says that it infuses into your skin really fast. It also helps with skin elasticity. I don't know about you, but like I said, my job, it be giving me those wrinkles, so elasticity is something that your girl needs. It also helps with brightening your skin. It is infused with all natural pure grade oils, so that's really good. And so it just has this little dropper type of thing. It has kind of like a little yellow oil, so you can just put that on your skin. I usually use things like this at night before I go to bed. I love to go to bed with some oil on my skin. I want it like moisturized to the fullest, and an oil is a good way to do that. This one just kind of smells a little citrusy. It does smell very natural. Like, it doesn't smell like there's any of that fake stuff up in it. Before I close this box, I just need to mention again, like, they just put the cutest little things in here. Like, they make you feel so special and put all this like pretty stuff in here. Like, you see what I'm talking about, how they just have like all kinds of different women of different backgrounds. And then also they have this little girl, well, she's a lady. She's a lady. It's on a little sticker, and she has like a little bathrobe on. Like, this would be so cute on my laptop. That's adorable. So yeah, they just have all the details really thought out. It's all very cute. Don't forget, if you are interested in getting this, you're looking to branch more out into the sustainability world, then you gotta act fast, because these do sell out. This is worth $250, all of this, but only for the price of $50, and you get it quarterly. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed looking at the things. I hope I explained them well enough. Let me know. I will tell you if you have any more questions. Just comment below. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time on my channel.